Creating tactile graphics is not only difficult, it's also time consuming. And there's a really neat way that I'm going to show you on how to turn a line art or an image into a tactile graphic.
Welcome to Irie AT, Braille and Low Vision.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome. And you're going to want to search for an image that you'd like to convert. So in this case, I've searched for a basketball court. And one of the neat things within Google is when you select images, is under the Tools option over here on the right, they have an option for line drawing within here. And what that'll do is do a filtered search within Google to kind of simplify your results. So I've got one right here that I'm going to go ahead and pull up. This one looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the image. I'm going to right click, select copy. Now I'm going to jump over to Tiger Designer, come in here and I'm going to do paste. And there we go. Brought our graphic in there, and as you can see, the lines have converted to dots. Now you'll also get this bitmap properties dialog box, which allows you to edit the image a little bit before you kind of proceed with it. So I'm going to go ahead and make some adjustments in here. There you go. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. Now, of course, we can use the tools in Tiger Designer to edit this further, but maybe we'll want to go ahead and just add a Braille label. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Braille label tool. I'm going to go ahead and click on the canvas, and we'll go ahead and delete this in here, and we'll label this what? Basketball court. There we go, and you notice that we have the Braille preview as well as the text preview. We can also set this either to grade 1 or grade 2. We'll leave it on grade 1 for now. I'm going to hit OK. There we go. As you can see, the Braille label is within our document. Now, assuming everything looks good, we're going to go up to File, select Print. Make sure your Irie or ViewPlus Embosser is selected. You're going to hit Print, and there you go. And there you go. That's how you convert a line-drawn image into a tactile graphic using an Irie or ViewPlus Embosser.
Make sure to subscribe to the Irie AT channel for more great videos on the latest in Braille and low vision products.